क्या चल रहा है अनु?
हमारा प्यार फिर से शुरू हो गया।
अच्छा,
हमारे साथ एक दादी जी हैं जो अपने पोता पोती दोनों ट्विंस हैं, उनके साथ यहाँ पर आई हैं। लेट्स सी हाउ शी फील्स अबाउट इट।
चलती रहेगी।
Hello friends, summer vacations have started and kids are home. 1 or 2 trips are not enough for them. They are full of energy. They have to take this energy out somewhere. So now, since we are from Delhi, we'll try and show you the places around Delhi where you can take them out, they can play, they can enjoy their summer vacations like vacations. Apart from their holiday homework, take them out. So we are in Vasant Kunj today. There is a kids zone outside that mall, which is quite, unique, I would say. The rides here are not those regular rides where kids can slide, swing and all. The rides are really beautiful.
Ship, and there are nice activities. You can climb up from here, and I'm gonna show you. My daughter is calling me, Papa, make my video, as I'm going to climb this and do this activity. Now she's here. Say hi.
Hi!
I'm going to show what she's trying to do. Actually, she's trying to just walk on this ramp. She's trying to climb up the chains. This is like a ladder. Just trying to climb up the ship. I don't know where all she is going, climbing, hanging, as you can see. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sam Sailors. So here we are in Promenade, Vasant Kunj. Well, we are enjoying here with my kid, with our kid actually. And this is a video for those people who do not know in Delhi. Where is the children's park? You know, this is a beautiful park to enjoy and have fun with kids. And children can spend hours and hours doing their activities. So I believe when you will come with your friends and when you will come with your children, they're gonna love it, enjoy it. You could spend your time here. Evening time is the best time to come. So I would request you all, send your comments and do let us know how do you like this place. Thank you. She's saying there is another secret way to this ship. Let's see. Way to go. Oh my. Oh wow. Oh my. Look at her. What is she doing? Woohoo! What did you say? What are you now? Are you a pirate?
नमस्ते आंटी। आंटी आप हाय बोलना चाहेंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को वहाँ पर? हमारे साथ एक दादी जी हैं जो अपने पोता पोती दोनों ट्विन्स हैं, उनके साथ यहाँ पर आई हैं। लेट्स सी हाउ शी फील्स अबाउट इट। कैसा लग रहा है आंटी आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बच्चे बहुत खुश हैं।
पहले भी आए
मैं भी
हैं आप
बहुत
यहाँ
खुश हूँ।
पर?
हाँ, हम आते रहते हैं।
अच्छा,
हम आते रहते हैं।
कैसा लगता है आपको ये बात? कैसा
बच्चे
लगता
बहुत
है?
खुश होते हैं। हाँ, बहुत अच्छा,
बहुत अच्छा है।
कुछ बहुत अच्छा है। अपने बच्चों को ज़रूर लेके आना चाहिए। बहुत बच्चे एंजॉय करते हैं, खुश होते हैं, बहुत अच्छे से प्ले करते हैं।
थैंक यू आंटी।
Hi friends and welcome to my channel Sam Sailors. And here we are with another parent in this Vasant Promenade Mall. And let him share some views, what he feels about this place. First of all, I want him to introduce himself. What's your name, sir?
Divyanshu Pandey.
Divyanshu Pandey. Nice to meet you. Well, he's going to share about his kid. How old is your kid?
He's 4 years young
He's 4 years.
and he's excited about coming to this kids zone.
Wonderful.
And this place, there are activities for different age group of children. For example, this activity cannot be done by a child of 4 years young.
Wow.
So it depends. Like, I think, this place, there are children of age group of anywhere around 3 to 12 years young, like age, that's it. So that's all. What young children can do is that there are paid services out here.
Right.
So the children, 2 years to 4 years, they have to, they can use horse or cars,
Right.
basically, which is paid. So
Right.
this kids zone, younger children have to have activities which are paid,
Right.
and the elder ones, they can use these, these things. And
Yeah, Burma Bridge and all. So thank you so much, Divyanshu. Nice to meet
thank
you
you.
again.
Thank you.
So as you have seen, Divyanshu has given his feedback about this park. So like he said, this is a park which is of different age group, and for younger kids like less than 4 years or 5 years cannot do this Burma Bridge and other activities, but there are certainly good activities here. Like there is a car drive, there are paid services, so you have to pay and hire a motorized car, remote car where you get the assistant to drive in, and there's horse here, you can take a horse ride, and there is 7D here, then there's painting activity, then there is one ball pool, kids really enjoy of that age. So I would request, all the viewers of my channel to come and visit this place in Promenade. It's a Promenade Mall in Vasant Kunj. से चल रही है, एज यू कैन सी।
Not much sleep.
फिर क्या चल रहा है शालोम?
I want to stay hot with one of
क्या चल रहा है अनु?
हमारा प्यार फिर से शुरू हो गया।
अच्छा।
so much of
So our pizza is almost finished. Let's ask, how do they like it? How do you like it, Papa?
I love the pizza. It's very yummy and fattening, but I still love it. I'm putting some seasoning over it. My Tabasco
Pesto.
sauce.
Yeah.
as you can see.
Yeah.
And as you can see, my daughter is loving it too. कैसा लग रहा है बेटा आपको? How do you like this pizza?
I hope you are enjoying our video, and please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press that bell icon so that you get the notification next time we upload a video. Also do comment and let us know what next you want us to cover in our next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye. You want to say something?
Hope you like the video and subscribe. Then there.
As she said, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that we can make more and more of these videos. We really need your support to keep going. Thank you. So it's 11 o'clock in the night. We are done with our outing and leaving. Let's end our video here on a good night note. Good night.
Good night.